Oh my gosh, the sunshine. I love it. We are finally getting the camper ready for the first trip of the year. This is always so exciting to me, but a couple of chores to do first before we can actually hitch up and go. We gotta sanitize this thing. You'll be able to smell bleach when it comes out, and that way you'll know bleach is all the way through your pipes. Once you have it run through all the lines, the easy part starts. You just sit back and wait. It's a good idea to leave it in there for 24 hours or at least overnight, not just in the fresh water tank, but it's also going to sit in your actual pipes through all the plumbing and just allow it to sanitize it. Having said that, we are now going to do the fun part, and that is sit down and relax and kind of mentally think about what we got to do next to get ready for this first trip of the year. Don't want to forget anything. So we made it, got all hooked up, but because it was so cold and windy, I didn't film a thing until we got here. First impressions is this is a pretty nice place. There's a lot of biking and walking trails, so we're excited to get the bikes and scooters out. But it is full hookup, 50 and 30 amp. Very large sites. Look how wide the road is. And then you can see we got a nice concrete patio that we're able to put the steps right onto it. It's a very big site. This is extremely easy to back into because of it. So now we're getting dinner ready, and we'll see what we do next. So far, it seems really peaceful for being right in town. Is it cold?
Not cold.
Too cold? We're gonna go for a nice cold walk. Sites 1 through 68 down here are electric only. Up there is full hookup. So as usual, electric only can be some of the prettiest sights you're going to find down near the water and in the trees. So the electric only sites, back up to the water, they can be pretty sloped. They're not very level. These sides, this side is. The ones by the water you have to work. So this is a good one here. This is a huge pull through. Get it. We made it to the zoo parking lot. Wanna ride the train?
I think it's too big. Right? Make me want fruit.
I already want fruit.
It is making me want fruit. campground right there. Here's your dump station right as you come in or out. And there's your dumpsters. So right there is the one and only bathhouse, and then over there are a bunch of cabins. And the one and only bathhouse is 3 shower stalls. It's windy, but we're gonna try out the trail. Michaela, it's a cool biking trail. Your hair is going straight up in the air. It looks so cool. It's a really nice walking trail. Paved biking trail, actually. Of course, it's too cold for the splash pad. We are starting the packing up process. Just thankful it is not raining at the moment. We really enjoyed this park. It is definitely urban camping. You can hear some city noises, but for the most part, it's very peaceful. Just a typical park in town. Convenient access to a lot of things in the city. So I would stay here again if I'm visiting Cincinnati. I'm not gonna go out of my way to come here like I would a state park. Not too many individual activities other than walking, but we really liked it all together. So now we're gonna get packed up, hit the road.
I'm okay.